Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. Start by sitting with a straight back in a cushion or chair. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body, letting go of any tension or pressure. Now just bringing your awareness to the sensation of your breathing. Observe this with openness and attentiveness, all the way from the start of inhalation through to the very end of exhalation. Now focusing your awareness where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. Perhaps in the nostrils or the abdomen, where the breath rises and falls. Let this become the anchor for your attention. Now taking a deep, slow breath in, say to yourself, breathing in. And as you slowly breathe out, say to yourself, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Continue this for a few moments. Notice where the mind is in this moment. Just by noticing that you've become distracted and coming back to the breath, you're doing everything right. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Letting the mind rest completely now, doing whatever it wants to do. And now slowly coming back to the room. Feeling your body where it makes contact with the floor. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too. and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.